Hello guys, and welcome back once again to my channel. The name is always GH Fame. So in my recent video where I talked about the cost of putting up a simple 3-bedroom house, many people asked about the building plan used in that video. In today's episode, I'm giving it out for free and I'll walk you through the design in just few minutes. If you are about to start your project, you may be interested in this design. I will put the link to download the PDF file and the 3D video in the description box below so you can download them. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. So the size of this 3-bedroom house is 50 feet in length and 35 feet in width. As most people would say, 50 by 35 feet. This house can sit on a 70 by 100 plot of land or a 50 by 70 plot of land, which is similar to the size of my own project. This concept has 3 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. All bedrooms are en suite. Since this is an economical house, I reduced the size of bedroom 1 and bedroom 2 to 13 feet by 13 feet, which is normal for modern bedrooms. In bedroom 2, you have an open walk-in closet right beside the washroom, which is very ideal for modern homes. And it also comes with a spacious washroom. All the washrooms measures 4 feet by 10 feet. I designed them this way so we can have more space for the bedrooms. The master bedroom measures 19 feet by 15 feet, which is very spacious for a master bedroom. It comes with an open closet and a very spacious washroom as well. The living area, together with the dining area, measures 35 feet by 18 feet, which is very spacious enough, just like my own living area. You can comfortably place a nice 3-seater dining set on this side, and you can also make it 4-seater if you want. The kitchen measures 17 feet by 10 feet with a storeroom of 3 feet by 13 feet. Now, the reason I decided not to make the kitchen open is because I believe open kitchens are not very suitable for Ghanaians due to the type of food that we cook. Some of the smells can spread to the entire house even when using an extractor. So an open kitchen was not ideal for me based on my personal opinion. However, this is still a matter of preference. My favorite part of this concept is the living area that leads to the office room. I designed the office space this way to keep the bedroom strictly private, especially the master bedroom. Also, if anyone steps into the office, they won't have to pass through the bedrooms. Guests can easily access the office for collaborations or social work without entering the private areas of the house. This design helps make the master bedroom more private. You can choose to place the office inside the master bedroom if you want, but that may affect your sleep due to noise and other disturbances. For the front elevation, you can place 2 square pillars on this side and another 2 square pillars on this side. Since this is a ground floor house, the beauty of the frontage will really stand out with the square pillars. You can also optionally place a simple staircase at the back of the kitchen or at the front of the house, especially if you are building on a hilly site. This is how the porch area looks, very spacious. All measurements are attached to the drawing in centimeters, and your builder can easily convert them to feet. This is a very nice, modern and extraordinary design. One last thing, I'm not an architect. I simply got my hands on this amazing software and I decided to be creative with it. It's my first time using it and it took me less than 2 hours to prepare this 3-bedroom floor plan. If you need the full detail plan, you can forward the 3D design to your architect so they can prepare a complete booklet for you. Alternatively, you can contact me and I'll let my architect handle it for you. If I were building my house today, this is something I would love to build for myself and my family. Something simple, easy to complete on time, and affordable to live in. If you want the complete bill of quantities for this 3-bedroom house from foundation to finishing or from foundation to roofing level, you can email me at officialghfame@gmail.com or visit my website at ghfame.com. Open the chat box below and send me a direct message. I'll be sharing more of this concept for both story buildings and ground floor houses whenever I get time to do so. So guys, that's all about it today. I hope this video helps. Share your ideas and thoughts in the comment section. The name is always GH Fame, and I'll see you in the next episode. Enjoy the rest of the video.